Bor kapati CCTV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Mindirang ba ka Shillong Conrad ki sangma hakalai phuai tri ursaw arajar phausan Ïathuh ba jing pleno ya ka Shillong Medical College kanlong la kumnu hapo khingyat banai habakran ga jing alang pli ka samoy puli beningkong jong ka Shillong Government College of Engineering kebadan hamolai kintan masar Shillong mindirang ba Ïathuh ba ya ka college puli doktor hanang ba Shillong la banwan pli do mindirang ba do kri Narendra Modi lani umindri katanan kampo iyeng kri Amit Shah.
Honorable Prime Minister or either Honorable Home Minister to come and to inaugurate the Shillong Medical College. We have not yet received the confirmation in the last 3-4 weeks. We have been following up. But based on the communication, we will decide on the date and we will go ahead with the inauguration of the Shillong Medical College also within the next maybe a couple of weeks or maximum within a month's time. So once again, I wish the students of the Shillong Engineering College the very best. I wish the faculty who's here, I wish you the very best, and of course the principal and the entire managing committee, which have a huge task ahead of them. As I said, let's not just look at where we are today, but let's look at where we want to go and draw a roadmap for ourselves. We may not be able to reach that level we want, but if we don't set high standards for ourselves, we will never be able to grow. If we just allow things to be the way it should be, we will never catch up. So set high standards, set high goals. People may laugh, but that should not bother you. What should be in your mind is that you want to achieve the best. And only when you try that and have that standard will you get somewhere that is desirable in the long run. So I urge our principal and the managing committee, dream big, think about the future and the future technologies coming up, and then try to get the courses and programs tailored to meet that requirement by ensuring the programs are there, the partners are there, the companies are there, and government together, we work to ensure that we are able to achieve that goal.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, na markane ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Pen reus pa ya kaktin la jong pen dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kaktin kasi kaktin la jong ai kan roi kan pa kakentien risau kadai bat kamut ya upanai ba shipho jong kasnem ha uni upanai kala deiru ka portion rai ha ka bakisla ding slasi kikup ya karong risau kani kakentien risau kamut ru ya ka metba jong uknam tudaya kan mau kendit ho Lapan mi tak kapati CCTV, nak mentak jing mentoi upat ba.